Just got this in the mail today. I ordered this from Amazon. This is a Inse, I suppose that's how you say it, Inse cordless vacuum cleaner. And I'm fixing to open it to see what it looks like, what's inside. Okay. We have a card that, let's see. You look great today. Let's see. Mystery gift. Okay. Tells me how I can get online and get a mystery gift from them. So I guess I can do that. Comes with a user manual. And okay, we have this mount. We have so like the little brush. I'm going to open all these up and then I'm going to set them down so you can see what all they are. I unwrapped everything. These are all the pieces that came. The main part, the handle part, that battery, an attachment brush, the mount, a little cleaner brush, and the cord. This is all that came in it. I'm going to put it together and we're going to try it out and see how it works. I will tell you that it was packaged very nicely and carefully. A lot better than some other vacuums that I've seen packed. So we're going to give this a try and we're going to see how good this is. So far, I'm not that impressed with it. It's okay. It's lightweight. It doesn't hurt my back as much as a big vacuum does. But I have birds. We have birds. And they drop feathers and seed. It'll pick the majority of the bigger pieces up. But watch when I try to vacuum this, just this little bit of bird seed. And I will put it on high. I have to pick it up a little bit. If I pick it up some, maybe I can get more of it. I'm going to charge it to its full charge and maybe it'll work better. I'm hoping, because if it doesn't, that means I've wasted my money. So right now, as it is, I'm not that happy with it. I'll keep it for spot cleaning, but you're going to wear yourself out trying to vacuum a whole floor and it's not picking hardly anything up. Look at that. See, it just goes over it and it just leaves it. So, now, see, it'll pick the big pieces up, but it just doesn't want to seem to pick the smaller pieces up. So yeah, all in all, my goodness, I'd probably just give this a 3 out of a 5. I like the attachments. I like the fact that it goes together real easy. I like the fact that it's pretty lightweight. I like it that you can just press a button on the other side of this and it'll open up and you can dump it. I like all of that. The only thing is just to me, it doesn't have enough of sucking power. So, yeah, 3 out of 5, people. I would not recommend this product.